Hey guys, welcome back to Deep Shift Labs. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the top 5 most important tools for software developers. So without further ado, let's get started. Fifth on our list is KVM with Virtual Machine Manager. KVM is a powerful technique to create virtual machines that run efficiently and with as much performance as possible. Here, I have KVM set up with QEMU, and I'm using Virtual Machine Manager as a GUI. So essentially, this is trickier to set up, but if you can get it set up, you get near bare metal performance for your virtual machines, despite your computer specs. And on top of that, it has all the features that VMware and VirtualBoxes like snapshots, RAM management, network management, several machines, RAM allocations, everything you would possibly need. Fourth on our list is Hyper with ZSH. ZSH is a command line interface similar to Bash, except it's more extendable and has a lot of extensions like autocomplete, syntax highlighting, Git tracking, and all these other features that the community has made that all come together to create a very powerful and versatile command line at your fingertips. On top of that, I have Hyper, which is an emulator made in Electron that includes extra features such as folder tracking, Git tracking, color coordination, and a bunch of customization features that make it a more pleasant experience when you're using the command line. Third on our list is Anaconda. Anaconda is a virtual machine and Python toolkit management system. This allows for you to store all of your IDEs, platforms, and tools all in one place and launch them as if it was a central command center for all of your favorite tools. It also includes a virtual environment manager, which is right here, and this allows you to manage all your Python virtual environments, packages, and versions for all those packages. You can easily copy, delete, import, whatever you want to do. It is a very powerful toolkit for all of you Python developers. We're getting pretty high up there, so second on our list is GitKraken. GitKraken is a powerful Git solution for all of your GitHub and GitLab related needs. This is a powerful GUI interface that allows you to make commits, branches, merges, and all the functions you could do with Git CLI with a very fancy GUI interface. As you can see here, we can very visually see everything that has happened in your project, and you can easily make commits, view the file changes, resolve conflicts, everything you would normally have to go through a lot of trouble on a command line interface is very nicely represented here. Alright, it is that time. Number 1 on our list is JetBrains PyCharm. JetBrains PyCharm is a powerful IDE that allows you to make all sorts of inventions and innovations. Anything you would want in an IDE, this IDE has it. It has terminals, Git tracking, Python package management, Python consoles, automated services, plugins, themes, everything to make you and your life easier. On top of that, it also has incredible support and has collaboration features such as Code with Me, and you can in fact install any plugin that's on the JetBrains marketplace, as this is an IntelliJ based IDE. This means I can install features like GitHub Copilot, or any plugin that supports specialized files such as ROS files or anything. And no, this doesn't just support Python, but in fact it supports almost every programming language you could think of. So if you are a software developer, I would definitely check out the JetBrains suite. They have a ton of very powerful IDEs for you to use. Alright, well that was top 5 developer tools for software developers 2022. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And Make sure to check out our other videos regarding Python and programming if you are new to programming or just want to start out. So until the next video, see ya.